Pony up, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a unique English phrase that you might come across in conversations or movies. Pony up. Let's uncover its meaning and how to use it in sentences. The phrase, pony up, is believed to have originated from the English word, pony, which refers to a small horse. But how did a term related to a horse become an idiom in English? Historically, pony was also a term for a certain amount of money, specifically a sum of $25. Over time, the phrase evolved to mean paying what is due, irrespective of the actual amount. When someone says, pony up, they are essentially asking someone to pay a sum of money that is owed. It can also imply that it's time for someone to deliver or provide something that they promised. Examples: 1. It's the end of the month. Time to pony up the rent. 2. We all decided to pony up $10 for the coach's gift. 3. You lost the bet, so you need to pony up. The phrase, pony up, is informal and is often used in casual conversations or in situations where money or a promise is involved. It might be used among friends, in betting contexts, or when discussing shared expenses. However, it's worth noting that since it's informal, it might not be the best choice for very formal settings or official business transactions. Pony up is a fun and colloquial way to ask someone to settle their debts or fulfill their promises. Like many idioms in the English language, its origins provide a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of language. We hope this video helped clarify the phrase for you. Remember, English is full of colorful expressions, and mastering them will make you sound more like a native speaker. Happy learning!